Meaning of lay-by.
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 Lay-by. Lay-by has a few different meanings depending on the context, but it generally refers to a designated area at the side of a road or highway where vehicles can pull over and park temporarily. In the UK and some other countries, a lay-by is also used to refer to a place where trucks or lorries can park overnight or for a longer period of time. In some retail contexts, a lay-by may refer to a payment method where a customer pays for an item in installments before taking possession of it, typically used for more expensive items. Overall, lay-by usually refers to a temporary stopping or parking area or a payment plan for retail purchases.